Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I will go with Nokia. Hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on Samsung, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK and click on Close in white pop-up at the top. I need to rotate my device real quick and then select History at the bottom of both of them to get rid of Ads pop-up. In it, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window. And with this pop-up out of our way, select Receive at the bottom of Samsung and Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia. Now, thanks to all of those categories at the top of Nokia device, you can select all files to send. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. It will take some time though to send all of them now, so I will go with maybe those two photos and this audio file. After tapping on Send, click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Samsung. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your tablet's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and last but not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!